Before we get into this video, I just wanted to say thank you so much to our sponsor, Squarespace. I have exciting news about the straw baby tees, about my Squarespace website, so stay tuned to the end for that. I'm so embarrassed. We gotta clean out my closet. I think you guys are gonna be disgusted about how much I don't give away. You might not think of this as a capsule wardrobe, but considering I live in a place where we have 4 very different seasons, if you divided my closet into 4 sections, I think each section would have like 30 pieces, which is a capsule wardrobe. So take what you will. As we're filming this video, I just wanna talk about the process I go through when adding new clothes, getting rid of clothes, and also just like trying out my clothes and seeing what's working, what's not. This first part is gonna be at the studio. Once we're done here, we're gonna switch over to my house. So the studio right now is acting as a storage unit, but also I keep my more like dressy, not everyday clothes here. If I have something to go to, I'll come to the studio, pick out my outfit, and then get ready at home or whatever. I have all my summer, some winter stuff here that I'm just not wearing right now. And then at home, I have a lot of my like comfy clothes, but I'm not gonna go through like athletic and comfy outfits because that's boring. Before starting trying on all your clothes to decide whether you're getting rid of them or not, do I think you have to try on every single piece? No. Some pieces, you know what they look like, you know you love them, put them aside. For the sake of the video, I will be trying everything on because it's fun to watch, but you gotta look a little presentable. If you decide to do this at 3 a.m. and your hair is literally like tangled mess, you have pimple patches on, you're not wearing a bra or you're wearing a sports bra under everything, like you're not gonna like any of your clothes. Give them a fighting chance. I don't know, I don't look like insanely presentable right now. I could have done my makeup or something, but I really don't want to have like makeup on to rub up against my clothes. I don't even know if you could like tell by the clips. I haven't worn some of these tops in years. Easy to say years. But when I put them on and I have like my music blaring, the way they just instantly make me want to dance, have a good time. Do I think that part of my life is gone where I used to go out like every weekend and, you know, get drunk, dance, whatever? Yes. Does that mean that I have to retire these pieces? I don't think so. It's not to say that I'll never go out again. I don't know. This is me being a hoarder. But like I've tried to get rid of this top so many times because I actually did wear this pregnant once and it was literally so cute, but it's just pretty like scandalous. It's definitely a going out top. Like I wore this top out all the time in college when I was first turned 21 and could go to the bar. It's from Topshop. I got it off Depop. I'm not getting rid of it. Like it's too cute. It makes me want to dance. Same with those like little metallic Bond Studio tops. One day I'll put the matching set on and that's how I'll go to the bar if I ever go again. Next time I go out, and that's the difference. When I do go out now, I wear crazy clothes because I don't do it as often. So when I do go out, I haven't been to a bar since being pregnant, but you know, it might happen again and I'll be ready. Okay, let's keep going. Sometimes I think it's good to have pieces in your wardrobe that completely don't feel like you. Me justifying not getting rid of things. This is a little bodysuit actually, and it's just like a white button up from Wolford. They have like my favorite tights ever, but who knows one day when I'll want a fitted white button up like this. It is such like a classic style that it really doesn't feel like you shouldn't have it in your closet. I mean, I can make a justification for basically anything in your closet, but who knows if I'd want this for layering one day, if one day I decide I want to really dress the siren, office siren aesthetic. Oh my god. Like it's a conventionally well-fitting, attractive piece. Does it feel like me? No. And especially not styled with these pants. Honestly, kind of styled with these pants. It's like, it's kind of cute. I think I could make it really, really cute. So yeah, just wanted to pop on here and talk about this piece that I've never worn and I'm making up scenarios in my head. I'm very stable. I think it's safe to say that I will never need another going out top again. I always say this, but anything can be a going out top. So no more buying going out clothes. Next thing is when you're trying on tops, try them on with bottoms you love or bottoms that would look flattering with that top. Don't try your fancy little blouses on with your big baggy Brandy Melville joggers that give you sag diaper butt. You're gonna hate your top. Give them a fighting chance. Same thing with your bottom. Try them on with just like a plain white t-shirt that's well fitted. You can see the full bottom, the skirt, whatever. And if you really can't decide, like start dressing it up. See what you would wear with it. Know that that takes way longer than you would want, but it helps. This is the first piece I would actually kind of consider getting rid of, which is insane. It's this super cute Vivienne Westwood navy blue cardigan. Like, you would think there's nothing wrong with it, but because I have bigger boobs, this rides up all the time, and I really don't like a crop top, but it ends up getting like above my belly button, and because I wear low-waisted pants, my whole belly is out. And this is like a springy, wintry top, so I normally don't want my whole belly out. I think if I wore high-waisted pants, this would be perfect. It would meet at the exact right spot, but I just don't wear high-waisted pants. I'm not getting rid of it because you know why? First of all, it's Vivienne Westwood. It's so cute. I got it on Whatnot for an absolute steal. Two, my daughter might want it one day because it's cool. I hope it's still cool then. I might wear high-waisted pants again. I still have a few pair of high-waisted pants in my closet. So if you don't see any items and you're like, Lainey, what happened to X, Y, and Z? They're probably actually stored away, and I'm not gonna bring them out for the sake of this video, but I could one day. So I have high-waisted pants and jeans. I just don't have them out. So, you know, one day if I start wearing my high-waisted pants all the time again, I'm gonna need this sweater. Let's speed through the rest. So this jacket was from Alexa Sunshine 83 on YouTube. She did this really cool thing where she thrifted for a bunch of different, I think they were all YouTubers, sent us style bundles, and I was so lucky to be a part of it. So this jacket she sent me, and everything about it I love. I love the cluster of buttons. I love the length of it. It's a nice wool jacket kind of blazer thing, and I have nothing like it in my closet. I haven't worn it though because of the shoulder pads, so I'm gonna cut them out real quick. It's so easy to do. I'm not gonna let you guys watch because I'm gonna butcher it. If you know the attention's on me, I'll show you before and after. Before, I am so basically murdering your clothes if it means you're gonna wear them more. I am an avid rip out the shoulder pads type of girl. I'm sorry if you hate it. Somebody could put them back in, honestly, if they wanted to, but no one's ever gonna get the chance because it's never leaving my closet. So very cute. Let's keep going. Okay, super controversial that normally people would say don't do. If you're second guessing something, don't get rid of it. Come back to it another day. Put it away. Even if that's somewhere that you're not really reaching for it, and come back to it later, or hang it up on your door and really look at it, think of the outfits, come back to it when the season approaches, wait till the season ends, that piece is for, and see if you ever wore it or ever needed it. With that, it's okay to put things away instead of saying goodbye. I don't think I ever want to get rid of clothes again, or especially not thrifted or vintage clothes, but even quote unquote fast fashion. One day I'll look at it and think wow, look at this vintage piece, or you know, my daughter one day will look at it and be like, wow, this is a 2020 original. Oh my god. I know that somebody else could wear it and get use out of it, but if you guys go to the thrift store or see even Goodwill bins or freaking landfills of clothes, there are more than enough clothes on the market, on the secondhand market, available for purchase. Don't feel like I need to get rid of this because someone else will wear it more. That's made me get rid of so many pieces that I regret now. Especially if it's it's not a winter jacket. It's not okay, this is really useful to somebody. It's a bustier top. Nobody out there is dying over not having that bustier top. Just keep it. Day 3 of filming this video, I was going to film all the clothes that were at my house, but I decided to bring them all here. So we're finishing this today. We've got shoes, a lot more pants that have been at my house, a lot more tops that have been at my house, a dress, and overalls. So let's do it. Next thing, once you start cleaning up, you're putting things away, reorganize. Put the pieces you want to wear in front of your closet, on hangers if that's what you reach for more. You will be more inclined to wear those pieces that you're staring at all the time. And for things that you don't want to reach for as much, sweats, hoodies, leggings, whatever, put them in a harder to reach place. Make it so you have to get a little stool out and reach up at the top of your closet to grab them. Or even, I have all my leggings under my TV in my living room because again, my closet's just overflowing. So I never want to walk out to my living room to grab my leggings. I'll only do it if I'm really having a legging day that day. So I'll end up putting on a pair of pinstripe trousers over my leggings, or even a pair of jeans just because it's ease of reach. On the floor because we finished all the clothes and we're on to shoes. If you're looking at my closet and you're like, what the heck, Lainey? I know you love blah blah. Why is it not in this video? I have laundry that I didn't do for this video. And by I didn't do, I mean my roommate Brandon didn't do. He does my laundry. It's not like I asked him to do it. I was kind of like betting on not having to do all those clothes. And then also like a bunch of my winter jackets I already put away in storage in my basement and I didn't fish them out, but like you get the idea. My foot. So let's go on to shoes. Let's do it. We're almost done. Next thing is make a mending pile. I think it's so hard to just take one thing to a seamstress and get it fixed, but if you go through your closet and really figure out what needs to get hemmed, taken in, fix a hole, or even like shoes, taking them to the cobbler, if you have a pile, you're more likely to do it. Even like ask your friends, like everybody go together, make a date out of it, and you'll end up doing it. Next thing that I love is making a tradesy pile. I get a lot of my outfit inspo and even like thrift wish list inspo from my friends. I want to make a whole video about where to get outfit inspo that isn't just like influencers and social media. A lot of the times I love a piece that my friend has and they end up not wearing it that much and they'll end up donating it, and you know, I would have gladly bought it from them or taken it from them if they were giving it up. I do give my clothes away a lot of the times, and then I know with my friend Shoshi, she'll give me clothes before she decides to donate them because she tells me to sell them, and I'll end up picking things out of it. It's like a clothing swap, but exclusive, and it's a great way where, you know, Shoshi one day was like, hey, I want that cheetah print cardigan back. It's hers. Like, take it. If I asked for something of mine back from Shoshi, I know she'd give it to me, and so on with like all my friends. Tradesy piles with friends you trust if you're really not sure about letting it go. Okay, and last thing is having the idea in your head that you can't just go in your closet once a month, get a giant trash bag and take it to the donation center will make you not buy as much. I don't want to go to the thrift store and do a giant haul because I know that I won't be getting rid of those pieces. I'm gonna have to find a way to make them fit into my closet or my studio, whatever. It makes me not want to shop. And I know that a lot of times people doing these closet cleanouts make them not want to shop, but it makes me want to shop if I get rid of stuff. So I am so here for the unpopular opinion of don't donate your clothes. Even if you don't wear it, keep it. With that being said, let's get into our sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace is the all-in-one website platform to stand out and succeed online. Squarespace makes it easy to create a beautiful website, engage with your audience, and sell anything from products to content to time all in one place, all on your terms. Squarespace made building my online store a breeze. We sold out of our straw baby tees in under 10 minutes. And after we were able to see what sizes sold out first, where a majority of our website visits were from, and how visitors navigated the site. With this information from our small test drop, Brandon and I are able to make the small changes to ensure our next fulfillment will be that much better. And stay tuned for our next drop and a super secret 300,000 subscriber giveaway on the site. Whether you sell physical, digital, or service products, Squarespace has the tools you need to start selling online. Use your insights to grow your business, learn where your site visits and sales are coming from, and analyze which channels are most effective. Improve your website and build a marketing strategy based on your top keywords or most popular products and content. Head to squarespace.com/LaineyOzark to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain using my code LaineyOzark. My camera's overheating. Where are all my cowboy boots? They've got to be at my mom somewhere. So like I said, so many clothes that I'm missing. I don't know if this is the outro. I'm tired.